In this video, we will learn about some essential skills for effective teaching. Whether we are an experienced educator or just starting our teaching journey, these essential skills will help us become a more effective and impactful teacher. So let's dive right in. Communication skills. One of the fundamental skills every teacher must possess is effective communication. Clear and concise communication helps us convey ideas, instruction, and concept to our students. So, for effective communication, we must use simple language and avoid jargon. Maintain eye contact and positive body language. Encourage active listening and open dialogue. And adapt your communication style to suit different learning styles and abilities. One of the most effective teaching skill is active listening. Listening is a fundamental skill that helps teachers understand their students' needs, concerns, and strengths. By practicing active listening, we can create a supportive learning environment. We can follow some techniques for active listening, such as give our full attention to the speaker, maintaining eye contact and using non-verbal cues to show interest. Avoid interrupting and allow students to express their thoughts fully. Reflect back on what students say to ensure understanding. Validate their feelings and perspectives, fostering a sense of trust and support. A well-managed classroom sets the foundation for effective learning. Some key strategies for managing our classroom are: establish clear expectations and rules from day one. Foster a positive and inclusive learning environment. Utilize effective time management techniques. Address behavioral issues promptly and fairly, and encourage students' engagement and participation. Every student has unique learning needs and abilities. Differentiating our instruction allows us to meet the diverse needs of our students. So, it is better to assess students' prior knowledge to tailor our lessons. Use varied instructional strategies to accommodate different learning styles. Provide additional support or challenge for individual students. Offer opportunities for independent and group work. Assessing student progress and providing constructive feedback is crucial for their growth. So, to enhance our assessment and feedback skill, we can use a variety of assessment methods such as quiz, project, presentation, etc. Provide timely and specific feedback to help students their strengths and areas for improvement. Encourage self-reflection and goal setting, and use assessments to inform your teaching and adjust instructional strategies accordingly. In today's digital age, integrating technology into your teaching practice can greatly enhance students' engagement and learning outcomes. So, we must consider the following strategies, like utilize educational apps, online resources, and multimedia tools. Incorporate interactive presentations and videos. Foster digital literacy skills and responsible technology use. Encourage collaboration and online discussions. Teaching is a dynamic profession, and being adaptable is key to navigating the ever-changing landscape of education. Here is how we can cultivate adaptability. Embrace new teaching methods and technologies. Adjust your lesson based on students' feedback and needs. Be open to incorporate innovative approaches into our teaching practice. Continuously seek professional development opportunities to stay updated. Building strong relationship with our students and understanding their emotional well-being is crucial for effective teaching. Some powerful ways to develop empathy and emotional intelligence are: show genuine care and concern for our students. Create a safe and supportive space for them to express their emotions. Practice active listening and empathy during conversations. foster a sense of belonging, and promote inclusivity in our classroom. Infusing creativity into our teaching can make the learning experience more engaging and memorable for students. So, we can consider the strategies like incorporate hands on activities, projects, and experiments. Encourage students to think critically and solve problems creatively. Use visual aids, storytelling, and interactive games to enhance learning. Foster an environment that values and celebrates creativity. Students have diverse learning styles and preferences. Being flexible in our instructional strategies can help us reach every student effectively. So, as an effective teacher, we can utilize a variety of teaching methods such as lectures, discussions, group works, etc. Adjust our pace and instructional approach based on students' comprehension. Offer multiple pathways for students to demonstrate their understanding. Provide additional support or challenges as needed. As an educator, it is essential to engage in continuous reflection and professional growth. Here are ways to foster personal and professional development. Reflect on our teaching practice, lessons, and students' outcomes. Seek feedback from colleagues, mentors, and students. Attend conferences, workshops, and webinars to expand our knowledge. Stay updated with the latest research and best practices in education. Core teaching skills are the essential skills that teachers need to be fully prepared for effective teaching and work in a productive teaching learning environment. Sometimes referred to as 21st century micro teaching skills, the core teaching skills are the combination of the skills such as cognitive delivering, learning, and expressing in new and innovative ways. So here some of the important core teaching skills are skills of introducing the lesson, skill of explaining, skill of proving question, skill of reinforcement, skill of illustrating with examples, skill of using blackboard, skill of stimulus variation, skill of promoting pupils participation, skill of demonstration, skill of classroom management, etc. So, in this video, we have covered a range of essential teaching skills that will empower us to become a more effective and impactful educator. We must have to remember that teaching is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. By mastering these skills, we can create a transformative learning experience for our students. Now, try this. So, thanks everyone for watching this video.